In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a list of meeting attendees and responses in Outlook. We'll start in a web browser. Open Google, type Outlook into the search bar, and hit Enter. Click the official Outlook site to launch the Outlook web app. If you're prompted, sign into the account that owns the meeting you want to work with. Inside Outlook, switch to your calendar. In the calendar grid, locate the meeting you're interested in and open it to see the event details. On the right side of the event window, look for the Tracking section. This panel shows who was invited and how they responded: accepted, tentative, declined, or no response, so you can quickly gauge attendance. To turn that list into something you can print, click the three dots for more options near the Tracking section. Choose Download as CSV. Your browser will save a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet format that includes the attendee names and their response status. When the download finishes, open the file. It will launch in your default spreadsheet program, such as Excel or another compatible app. Review the data to make sure it captured what you need. You can widen columns for readability, sort by response to group accepted attendees together, or hide columns you don't plan to include on paper. Now you're ready to print? Use the print command in your spreadsheet program. Pick your printer or select Save as PDF if you prefer a digital copy. Adjust the page orientation. Portrait works for shorter lists, while landscape can fit more columns. Turn on Fit to Page, or choose a scaling percentage so the list is clear and not cut off. And check the print preview to confirm everything looks right before you finalize the job. If you don't see the Download as CSV option, make sure you open the meeting you organized, since some features are limited for invitees. Also, remember that attendee details are sensitive. Only print what's necessary and store it securely. That's it. You've quickly exported and printed a clean list of meeting attendees and their responses straight from Outlook, ready to share with your team or bring to the room.